Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can update Yahoo Mail app. By updating your Yahoo Mail app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app. You'll also be able to fix any errors or issues that might be related to your Yahoo Mail. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now to do this, you need to access your Yahoo Mail through Google Play Store or App Store and find out if we have an update. So I'm on Android and therefore I'll go to Google Play Store here. Then tap on search here. If you don't see this search bar, you should see a search icon down below. Tap on it to activate search. From here, just search for your app by name, Yahoo Mail, just like that, and then run the search. As you can see, if I tap on it, we have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of Yahoo Mail app, which might not be secure, and also I might be missing out on some of the latest features. To update, tap on update, and this will download the latest version of Yahoo Mail app and install it on my smartphone. Once the app has been installed, now you can proceed and open it to start using the latest version of Yahoo Mail app. So that's how you can update your Yahoo Mail app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.